Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. After a long time I'm shooting this video. The reason being I could not able to make a video is that, long story short, I was not feeling well. I was completely unhealthy and doctors are advising me for a long bed rest. And one more important is that little bit couple of family issues. But right now I'm completely sorted out and I'm in front of you people. Today's video, let's discuss about one more important very aspect about the cryptocurrency, that is called researching. See, if you're putting money into the cryptocurrency, you should do a proper research. If you are investing in the cryptocurrency without having a proper research, let me tell you, my dear friend, you're not investing, you are doing gambling. So obviously everybody is putting hard-earned money, right? If you're putting with hard-earned money, you have to do multiple research. Think twice, then only you should invest in cryptocurrency. That is what the central message which I am trying to tell you. So before investing money in the cryptocurrency, three important and major things which you need to keep in your mind. The first and foremost thing is that fundamental analysis. See, the fundamental analysis will give you a clear-cut direction about the cryptocurrency, and most importantly, in the fundamental analysis, we'll discuss about the website of that particular coin and the promoter holdings and their social media handles and what is the project is all about, what kind of problem are they trying to solve, and their source code, and also most important is that white paper. White paper clearly tells about what is their vision, what is their mission, what is their action plan, and what is the biggest problem they are trying to solve, and is it a genuine problem, and everything you can able to analyze with the help of that white paper. So let's do a fundamental analysis of the cryptocurrency. And the second most important thing which you need to do is that technical analysis. After the fundamental analysis, the second step is the technical analysis. After doing all these things, the third and the final thing is that market sentiment or market psychology. When you're thoroughly completed these three steps, that is fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and third one is that market sentiment or market psychology, then only you should invest. If you don't have a proper knowledge, don't need to worry, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I'll come up with wonderful amazing content especially for you. Fine then, so without wasting much of your time, let's get deep dive into this video. I'll show you the computer screen that how to do a fundamental analysis of the cryptocurrency, and in this video we are taking an example of the number one ranked cryptocurrency as per the coin market cap, that is obviously none other than Bitcoin. So in this video we'll do the proper fundamental analysis of the Bitcoin. Fine then, without wasting much of your time, let's get deep dive into the video. Let's open the computer screen and let's do a further analysis from there. In this video, let us learn about the fundamental analysis of the Bitcoin. So for doing the fundamental analysis, we are taking the website as coin market cap. Okay, so this is one of the basic and most important website where it will give complete diversification information about the particular crypto. So once you open this website, this is a home page which will be landing up, and in the topmost left corner you can see the total cryptos, which is around 17,237. That means in the entire world right now around 17,000 crypto projects are running, and the exchanges means it's a place where you will buy and sell the cryptos. Around 457 exchanges are there, and the third one is that market cap. The total cryptocurrency market cap as of right now is around $1.7 trillion. That means if you are having a $1.7 trillion, you can buy the entire cryptocurrency market. That means the total amount invested in the crypto. Okay. So if you can see the last 24 hours volume, so this is the last 24 hours of volume, which is the buy and sell of the crypto is happened. And if you can see the dominance of the BTC and ETH. What is dominance? It's very important that out of $1.7 trillion, 41% of the people have invested money in BTC, and around 19% of the people invested money in Ethereum out of $1.7 trillion. And this is the Ethereum gas fee. For every Ethereum transaction you do, you have to pay a certain kind of a commission or a tax, that is called Ethereum gas, right? So if you can come down, you can see that today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, you can see the trending coins, you can see the biggest gains in the last 24 hours, and more importantly you can see the recently added coins also. But don't focus on the recently added because it's very very risky and very very tricky. Okay, so without reading, without doing much research, you should not invest money in recently added, right? So let me talk about the Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin is ranking number one, which is the king in the market, obviously, which is the first cryptocurrency. And the price of Bitcoin as of today is around $37,986. Okay, it's the price with respect to dollar. And if you can see the last 24 hours with respect to Bitcoin has up by 2.51% the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up by 2.79%. Okay. And if you can see the market cap of the Bitcoin, which is around this value, that means the total amount invested in Bitcoin is right now, this is the amount. Okay. And if you can see the volume, that means the total transaction happened in the last 24 hours with respect to Bitcoin is this one. This is the amount in the last 24 hours. The transaction happened with respect to the Bitcoin. And if you talk about the circulating supply, this is very, very important, my dear friends. The circulating supply is nothing but the total number of coins which are there in the market right now. That means around like how much? 18.9 million Bitcoins are there in the market right now currently. That is called circulating supply. This is the last 7 days graph. Okay, let me open the Bitcoin. Once you open the Bitcoin, so this is the home page which will land up. Let me discuss one by one. You can see the $37,981, which is the value of the Bitcoin price right now. If you can able to convert this value to Indian rupees, let me see how much. 28,37,000 rupees. See, 28,37,000 rupees is a one Bitcoin value as of today. So I'm shooting this video on 4th of February 2022, right? Okay, so this is a website. Okay, it's very, very important that whatever the project which you're investing, you should go and check their website. Okay, this is called bitcoin.organization, and you can see Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. So it's very, very normal website, and you can see Bitcoin address they are given. So if you want, you can support them by donating some money with respect to Bitcoin and some some basic information. There is no much information with respect to the website, but this is one of the very, very simplest website. And yeah, coming back to the Explorer, this is very, very important. You can see some of the links. That means whenever you transfer some money in the form of Bitcoin to your friends, you can check the transaction here. That means whatever the transaction which is happened, you can validate the transaction by coming here and checking this with the help of this website. And community is a place where the bigger the community, the better advantage you're going to get. That means if the community is bigger, obviously the chances are more that you're going to get more benefit and the price of that particular coin will rise up in a long run. And the source code, Bitcoin is that one cryptocurrency where you can able to read the source code. That means entire, like say for example, right now I'm using Windows computer, so I can't able to read the source code. That is some kind of a privacy matter. But with respect to Bitcoin cryptocurrency, you can actually read the source code. And white paper, this is very, very important, my dear friends. White paper is all about it. You see, you will understand what is their motive behind starting this cryptocurrency, and why did they bought this cryptocurrency, and what is their vision, what is their mission. Entire information you can able to read it in the white paper. So it's very, very important that you have to read the white paper carefully. And I'll be making one more video for complete white paper of the Bitcoin. This is Satoshi Nakamoto, which is a research paper kind of a thing. And coming back here, you can see the market cap. The total market cap of the Bitcoin is this one, and fully diluted market cap. It's very, very important. What is meant by market cap and what is meant by fully diluted market cap? See, market cap means that its formula is nothing but current price into circulating supply. That means this is the current price of the Bitcoin right now. If you multiply current price into circulating supply, you will get the market cap. Okay. If you talk about the fully diluted market cap, the formula is current price into the total supply. Total supply is how much? This one. If you multiply these two values, you will get the fully diluted market cap. Alright. Okay. So fine then. So this is I told you last 24 hours transaction with respect to cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. And coming here, you can see the graph. This graph indicates at which date the price of the cryptocurrency has gone down, gone up, everything is able to study further. Right? You can see the market cap with respect to the market cap and the trading view. Trading view is basically a website where you can able to completely study about the graphical analysis, like with respect to the candlestick patterns and history. You can study the historical moments about the Bitcoin with respect to the prices and values and all. Okay, see, some people are saying that okay, it's Manoj, I can't able to read the entire white paper. So if you don't have time, at least try to read this one, BTC price live data. What is Bitcoin? Who are the founders of the Bitcoin? And some what makes Bitcoin is more unique, and some little bit information. This is very, very important. Okay, so if you are investing money, you should do some information about research. You should do some research, then only you should invest. Without doing research, if you are investing, let me tell you, my dear friend, you are not investing, you are doing gambling. So the second thing is that market, with respect to the different kind of exchanges which are there right now. So what is the prices which is running up? You can able to study in a Binance, which is around $37,000 is there. The FTX exchange, it's around 37,964. So each and every exchanges, you can see the price of the Bitcoin will slightly vary. And historical data, that means at the 15th of August 2018, what is the price of the Bitcoin? You can able to see, at January 26, 2022, what is the price of the Bitcoin? You can see exactly each and every day what is the price of the Bitcoin with respect to historical data. And hodlers, I would like to call as hodlers. So yeah, it has written holders here. See, if you can see the holders, you can see that in the statistics part, the total addresses of the Bitcoin is around how much? This is the value. And the active addresses in the last 24 hours is around 9 lakhs plus. Okay, this is very, very interesting. The top 10 holders is having around 5.6% of Bitcoin. The top 10 holders, top 20 7%, top 50 11%, and top 100 people are holding a sum of 14% of the entire Bitcoin. It's very, very important. See, the top, you should have a clear-cut understanding about this one. This is very, very important, because sometimes what happens in some of the coins, the top 10% of the people are holding 60%, 70%, 80% of the coin. The top 100 people are holding 90-95% of the entire coin. That is very, very dangerous. Those are the coins will not run in the longer run, right? Project information, you can see the complete project information and who are the teammates who are involved in creating this project. Okay, Bitcoin is basically a project, and you can see that who is the developer, what is their contributor role, who is the technology officer, who is the founder, who is the CEO, who is the lead market, entire information, the entire team of this particular Bitcoin company you can able to study here. Okay, Bitcoin is not a company, it's a cryptocurrency which is available worldwide, but you can see that major people behind this particular cryptocurrency, and you can able to check out their profile in LinkedIn, and they able to understand their basic their education, where did they work earlier, what are the projects they are worked, and everywhere the basic information is very, very important. That's the reason if you get an information, just copy it, go to LinkedIn, just try to read their biography. What are the people have said, the people who worked with them in the earlier projects, what did they say about this particular person. And this is the wallet. Let's talk about it later. News, this is very, very important. News is that one thing. See, if any coin is getting the more and more news, that means the coin is in the market and it's become a talk of a town. If people are talking about a particular coin, obviously the price of the coin will goes up, and you should see that okay, if the news are coming more and more, you should see is it a positive news or is it a negative news. If the positive news is coming, it's well and good. If the negative is coming, you should be very, very careful about purchasing that coin, right? And social means social media handles. Right now the Bitcoin is directly synced with Reddit. You can see whatever the things which is happened in the Reddit, the recent days, like February 4th, that is today. So some discussions happened, so you can be able to read about it. And analysis, this is very, very important. So this is very important. This is called on-chain analysis. That means you can clearly understand the people, you can see holders making money at the current price. Current price is around $37,923. Around 63% of the people are making a good profit with the help of this price, this current price. Around 28% of the people are going losses with the help of this current price. And the concentration by the large holder, and totally 11% of the people are holding a huge sum of the Bitcoin. If you can see the third parameter, that is holders composition by time held. That means around 56% of the people who invested in Bitcoin who are actually holding it for the more than 1 year. Around 36% of the people who are holding Bitcoin, they are holding less than 1 year. Around 8% of the people who are invested in Bitcoin, they are holding the Bitcoin less than a month. And the transaction which is greater than $100,000, like this is a 7-day transaction which has happened with respect to Bitcoin. That is $213 billion. Oh my god, such a huge number. Yeah, so transaction demography, that's not much important. This is the on-chain analysis. And finally, the last one is price estimates. That means some of the people have voted some price, like at particular this date the price of the Bitcoin is gonna go up or gonna go down. So you can able to submit your own basically feedback. So this is the basic understanding about Bitcoin. So the first information is that you should study about their white paper, their source code, their official website, and you should understand what is the circulating supply, the total supply, is it a coins are unlimited or limited coins, and what is the price which is happening right now, what is the news, what is the holders percentage. So these are the information which are very, very important. If you understand this information, then only you should invest, otherwise you should not invest. Fine then, so this is the information which is all regarding the Bitcoin. We'll talk about some other news with respect to cryptocurrency in some other video. Until then, you take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and whatever the questions you are having with respect to the cryptocurrency, leave it out in the comment section so that I can able to take those questions and I can able to make a video in the further upcoming days. And fine then, so if you don't have any questions, give it a big thumbs up and make sure that subscribe to my channel so that I'll come up with wonderful, amazing content especially for you. With this, I am concluding this is Manish Kumar signing off. Until we meet again, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.